Cockatoos are a fascinating group of parrots known for their intelligence, social behavior, and distinctive crests. Here are 70 amazing facts about cockatoos. Family affiliation. Cockatoos belong to the family Cacatuidae, which consists of 21 different species. Australia's native birds. Most cockatoo species are native to Australia, with a few found in nearby regions such as Indonesia and the Solomon Islands. Distinctive crests. Cockatoos are recognized for their prominent crests, which they can raise or lower depending on their mood. Long lifespan. Cockatoos are known for their long lifespans, often living between 40 and 70 years in captivity. Intelligence. Cockatoos are highly intelligent birds, known for their problem-solving abilities and capacity to mimic sounds and words. Playful nature. Cockatoos are playful birds and enjoy toys and activities that stimulate their minds. Social creatures. Cockatoos are highly social birds and thrive on interaction with their owners or other birds. Varied sizes. Cockatoo species come in various sizes, from the smaller cockatiels to the larger palm cockatoos. Peach-faced cockatoos. One of the smallest cockatoos is the cockatiel, often referred to as the pocket cockatoo or wiro. Major Mitchell's cockatoo. Named after Sir Thomas Mitchell, Major Mitchell's cockatoo is known for its striking pink and white plumage. Sulphur-crested cockatoo. The sulphur-crested cockatoo is one of the most well-known species, easily identified by its bright yellow crest. Cacophony of sounds. Cockatoos are noisy birds, and their vocalizations can range from screeches and screams to melodic whistles. Dance moves. Cockatoos are known to exhibit dance-like movements, especially when excited or trying to attract a mate. Preening rituals. Cockatoos are meticulous about grooming and preening their feathers, a behavior that strengthens social bonds. Left-handed parrots. Some cockatoos, like the palm cockatoo, have been observed using tools with their left foot, suggesting a preference for their left side. Cuddly companions. Cockatoos are affectionate birds and often enjoy cuddling with their owners. Large vocabulary. Cockatoos can develop a large vocabulary and are capable of mimicking human speech with clarity. Emotional sensitivity. Cockatoos are emotionally sensitive birds and can suffer from stress or anxiety if not provided with proper care and attention. Endangered species. Some cockatoo species, like the Philippine cockatoo, are classified as endangered due to habitat loss and illegal pet trade. Alba cockatoos. Alba refers to cockatoos with white or mostly white plumage, and these birds are highly prized in the pet trade. Black palm cockatoo. The black palm cockatoo is the largest cockatoo species and is known for its jet black plumage and large size. Crested and uncrested varieties. Cockatoos can be categorized into crested and uncrested varieties based on the presence or absence of a crest. Sympathetic gestures. Cockatoos are known to mimic their owners' gestures, such as head bobbing or clapping, as a form of bonding. Destructive chewing. Cockatoos have strong beaks, and they may engage in destructive chewing if not provided with suitable toys. Palm cockatoos drumming. The palm cockatoo is known for using sticks and seed pods to create drumming sounds, a behavior associated with courtship. Long-term bonds. Cockatoos are known to form strong bonds with their owners and may experience separation anxiety if left alone for extended periods. Love for bathing. Many cockatoos enjoy bathing and may show excitement when presented with a shallow dish of water. Sexual dimorphism. In some species, males and females can be distinguished by subtle differences in plumage or eye color. Monogamous pairs. Cockatoos are often monogamous, forming long-lasting pair bonds with a mate. Molting process. Cockatoos undergo a molting process where old feathers are shed and replaced by new ones. Threat displays. When threatened, cockatoos may display aggressive behaviors such as raising their crests, fluffing their feathers, and making loud calls. Flocking behavior. In the wild, cockatoos often gather in large flocks for socialization, protection, and foraging. Carnivorous appetite. Cockatoos are omnivores with a diet that includes seeds, fruits, nuts, and insects. Seed crackers. Cockatoos have strong beaks adapted for cracking open tough seeds and nuts. Dual vocalizations. Cockatoos are capable of producing two types of calls: contact calls for communication within the flock and loud screeches as alarm signals. Preening mutualities. In a flock, cockatoos engage in mutual preening to strengthen social bonds and maintain feather health. Vocal learning skills. Cockatoos are excellent vocal learners, and their ability to mimic sounds helps them communicate with their environment. Egg-laying habits. Female cockatoos lay eggs, even in the absence of a mate. However, these eggs are infertile. Hand-rearing challenges. Hand-rearing a cockatoo can be challenging, as they require a significant amount of attention, socialization, and proper nutrition. High energy levels. Cockatoos are energetic birds that need ample space to fly and play to maintain their physical and mental well-being. Cockatoos in art. Cockatoos have been featured in various forms of art, including paintings and literature, due to their striking appearance. Flight adaptations. Cockatoos have powerful flight muscles that enable them to cover long distances in search of food and suitable habitats. Threats from pesticides. Cockatoos can be vulnerable to pesticides used in agriculture, which can contaminate their food sources. Inquisitive nature. Cockatoos are naturally curious birds and enjoy exploring their surroundings. Hygiene conscious. Cockatoos are hygienic birds and may dust bathe or sunbathe to keep their feathers clean. Crest displays. The crest of a cockatoo can indicate its emotional state, with an erect crest often signaling excitement or curiosity. Breeding challenges. Breeding cockatoos in captivity requires careful planning, as they may face challenges such as egg binding and chick rearing difficulties. Nutritional needs. Cockatoos need a balanced diet that includes a mix of pellets, fresh fruits, vegetables, and nuts to ensure optimal health. Flight endurance. Cockatoos are capable of sustained flight over long distances, relying on their endurance for activities such as foraging. Conservation efforts. Conservation initiatives are crucial to protecting wild cockatoo populations, as habitat loss and the pet trade pose significant threats. Unique tail feathers. Cockatoos often have unique tail feather patterns, which can vary among species. Rescue organizations. There are organizations dedicated to rescuing and rehabilitating cockatoos that have been abandoned or mistreated as pets. Captive breeding programs. Some species of cockatoos are part of captive breeding programs aimed at conserving their genetic diversity and ensuring their survival. Feeding strategies. Cockatoos use their beaks and tongues in a coordinated manner to manipulate food items and extract seeds from their shells. Thermoregulation. Cockatoos regulate their body temperature through behaviors like panting or seeking shade on hot days. Urban adaptation. Some cockatoo species have adapted to urban environments, coexisting with human populations and even becoming pests in certain areas. Distinctive eye rings. Some cockatoos, like the gang cockatoo, have distinctive eye rings that add to their unique appearance. Cockatoos in mythology. Cockatoos are sometimes featured in indigenous Australian mythology and art, symbolizing various cultural meanings. Chick rearing practices. Cockatoos invest considerable time and effort in rearing their chicks, with both parents participating in feeding and caring for the young. Feather picking. In captivity, some cockatoos may develop feather-picking behavior, often attributed to boredom, stress, or health issues. Diverse habitats. Cockatoos inhabit a range of ecosystems, from rainforests and woodlands to savannas and coastal regions. Tailored diets. The dietary requirements of cockatoos can vary among species, and owners should research and provide appropriate nutrition. Adaptability. Cockatoos have adapted to diverse environments, showcasing their ability to thrive in various climates and landscapes. Celestial parrots. The term cockatoo is believed to have originated from the Malay word Cacatuidae, which means older sibling. Enrichment activities. Captive cockatoos benefit from a variety of enrichment activities, including puzzle toys, foraging opportunities, and social interaction.